What's up guys, welcome back to Become Calisthenics. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve a bent arm planche. So first, let me show you what it is. So, that is a bent arm planche. A bent arm planche, I don't know why, is usually an underrated move that people usually don't want to learn. They usually skip it. But I recommend learning this move, especially if you're in the beginner of calisthenics, along with your handstands and bent arm planche. So I'm going to be showing you how the steps and progressions in order to achieve this bent arm planche. And like I said, this bent arm planche is also a great way for you to build up the strength to learn when you transition into planche, because you're basically doing a planche. It's just that your arms are more bent. So if you're ready to learn a bent arm planche, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. All right, let's get into it. So the first part is I would recommend is you want to practice leaning forward with your shoulders. So leaning forward with your shoulders will help you bring the momentum of bringing your body in a straight line, as well as strengthening the shoulders in order to hold yourself up, because you're going to need a lot of that shoulder strength when doing this bent arm planche. So there's two ways I recommend. First is the straight arm, and then the bent arm. So when you're doing the straight arm, depending on hand placements, I like to have them spread out, facing outward. And then you just want to lean forward with your shoulders as far as you can. And just hold. Make sure you're pushing your arms all the way down. And then when you want to do the bent arm one, you just lower. And you just want to hold. So, when doing these moves, the further you lean, the harder it is. So when starting out, try to lean as further as you can. With time, lean further and further, pushing your shoulders forward more above the hands. Because like I said, each time you bring the shoulders above your hands, the harder the progression. So now, the next thing you would do is basically just, you can do this in a straddle or straight leg, is basically just try to bring your hip up and levitate your body. So you would just do like little hops. So you can do, like I said, in straddle or full. You would just lean and then just try to bring your feet and hips up off the ground. Do these little hops, maybe like 5 to 6 reps. And just practice. Keep practicing and practicing until you can hold yourself up and your body up. Another way you can do these is with parallettes. So you would just grab parallettes, and then there's a different way to go into this. You can have your body tucked and just hold. That's another way you can get into a bent arm planche. It's just to hold and do that progression, and then you would extend out, going from like one leg to straddle to full. So it looks something like this. Just go through the progressions and find which one's easier for you. And with time, just increase the progression, going from like tuck to one leg to straddle to full, until you can hold yourself up for about 5 to 10 seconds with each form. So that was one leg. This one is straddle. Like I said, each time each time you extend out, you want to make sure you lean forward as well. So in the full, when you're doing these, in the full will be the hardest progression. So tuck will be easier than straddle, and straddle will be easier than full. So if you want to go from straddle to full, you just have to extend out. Like I said, the full is usually the harder progression, so find a progression that's easier for you. So that is the bent arm planche. Like I said, it's a good way to learn the planche and build up the strength to go into planche, as well as learning how to control your body and bring it up with your hips and your shoulders, your core strength, your legs, everything. So if you enjoyed this video of how to learn a bent arm planche, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like these. Thank you.